about this.
Oh, you're recording me?
No, no, I'm not. Look.
Poison.
No, I'm not.
That's poison.
No, I'm not. Look. There's nothing even going on. Ask her about this gas.
Little flatulence.
Grandma, lower the TV.
No, I want to hear this.
It's too loud.
He's expected a counterattack since the publication of his explosive new book, The Politician.
Grandma! Grandma, lower the TV. It is too loud. Lower it.
It's loud. It's really just like me.
Mom, lower
They're
it.
recording me.
As a liar, they'll all be back in court on February 7th.
Grandma.
A source tells ET, Riel and Edwards are not engaged, but the National Enquirer claims he did
Grandma. Ask her about
No.
Just do it.
They're recording me.
Grandma. You have flatulence?
My lips are sealed.
Do you ever get gas, Gran?
What are you doing? Stupid idiot. What's going on? I don't know. They're harassing me.
Grandma, you have flatulence?
They're harassing me. Give me that word. How do you spell it, Alan?
Do you ever get gas, Gran?
I want to hear this. Turn it loud.
Grandma.
I don't want to hear
No.
I don't want to hear you.
You have to answer the question first.
I'm not talking.
Gas bubbles?
Do you have gas? Grandma.
Mimi, are we locked in for the night?
Do you have
Grandma.
flatulence?
Do you have gas? Yes or no?
Shut your face. Now I'm really getting annoyed.
Grandma, when you stepped up from this couch right
Now,
here,
When I am angry, I am
when you stepped up from this couch right here, something happened.
Are you crazy? You two are like little teenagers.
You have gas.
You are not in my class.
Grandma, you have gas.
Gran,
Just admit it.
I'm reaching Nancy Kerrigan.
Gran, did you call your grandkids stupid idiots?
Who is
Grandma.
this? Oh, Nancy Kerrigan.
No, we're not watching this
Turn
depressing.
that thing off. I know it's that thing. You think I don't know what you're doing? I am illiterate when it comes to machinery, but I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing. You're plugged in there and everything.
Why are you making them laugh?
We're plugged
They're
in
plugged in.
here.
I see her
Plugged in.
plugged in.
Yeah, it's
So
not
I know
fun.
what I'm going to listen to.
Grandma.
Wireless, Gran.
Grandma, back to the original
It is.
question.
She's plugged in. I see a wire there.
It's charging it. It's dead.
Charging. Grandma, back to the original question. Do you have
I'm
gas?
watching. I'm not answering you.
Grandma,
It's not legitimate.
do you have gas?
If you know what that word means.
Any gas in there?